Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda Tallahassee and I'm a 16-year-old drag queen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. I did this look a couple of days ago, so this is a recreation, but also, girl, look at this. My wig is not glued down. Sorry about it. So yeah, this is a recreation. I just didn't get to film it because I had company over. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So since I mainly want to focus on the eye area, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my base off camera. I don't know if I don't know if I'm gonna do it off camera or if I'm going to do it. I'll do it off camera. Just give me a minute, okay? Because I have done my base and explained it so many times. And I just want to focus on the eyes because I actually have an idea for what I want to do on the eyes today. So I will be right back. So for this look, I'm only going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yeah, I need to get another eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry. I just do browns and pinks, and it's sad, honestly, that I only do, I don't know. I don't know. So the first shades that I'm going to be dipping into is Silk Cream and MFEO. So I'm going to be focusing just a little bit above my crease. My crease is right here, so I'm going to focus up here. I don't really use eyelid primer. I mainly just use just like concealer and foundation from my face, and I just bounce it onto my eyelids. The next shade I'm going to be dipping into is called Pooter, and I'm going to be dipping into it on this little angled nose contour brush by Profusion. I'm going to tap some excess powder that's like from probably the same look actually. I'm just going to tap into it, and I'm going to tap this into the crease. And then I'm going to go back into that first brush, which is sort of like that, but it's straight instead of, well, it's not straight, it's rounded all over. I'm going to dip back into those first two shades, and I'm going to blend Pooter out. The next shade I'm going to be dipping into is Chip. I'm going to tap into that, not so aggressively, but like still a good bit. And I'm going to be focusing that mainly on the bottom down here. And instead of me going in like crazy, I'm going to build this shade up.
You're a damn lie.
I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to get like right up in here, and I'm going to start blending some more. And I'm going in circular and also windshield wiper motions. I'm kind of like putting the two together. And then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to reinforce that color. So basically I'm just going to pat that color in again. But kind of pat it lower since I blended it out already. Next, I'm going to be dipping into Soda Pop with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Eye Crease Brush. I'm going to focus it way lower, okay? Like way lower than that shade. So like just down here. I'm also going to take that color and I'm going to swipe it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to connect at the edge right there. I can't remember if I used if I like wet my lid.
Yes, you did.
But I'm gonna wet my lid today. I'm just gonna use a little bit of foundation And I'm gonna pat it on. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Concealer Brush. This is like the only issue I have with e.l.f. brushes. The little handle comes apart from the brush all the time, so I always have to glue them back after a little bit of using them. Which, I mean, I don't mind. Like, they're really, really good brushes. I just wish they used a different adhesive to hold them together. So I used Gorilla Glue, and it expanded. So that's what that is. So I'm going to be dipping into Creamsicle with this little brush right here. This is by Vander. I'm just going to like pat it in, and then I'm going to worry about blending it later. So just basically get the color down first, and then we can handle and address the blending later. Okay, and I'm going to be using this. It's like, it's round, but it also, it like tapers a little bit. But like, it tapers in a round way. I don't understand how to explain it. Like, I don't know. Okay. And I'm gonna be using that same brush. And I'm gonna tap that right here. Like right in front of that brown. And I'm gonna blend them together. I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's the first brush that we used. I'm gonna blend the edge of the yellow into the brown. And I'm not really gonna focus too much on the inner corner. I mean, I like a sharp inner corner. It kind of acts as like a cut crease.
Are you crazy? Maybe so.
But if you don't like it, you can blend it. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in Jet Black. This eyeliner is really good. I'm going to be doing a doe eyeliner, which is where it's like thin, then it gets thicker, and then it gets thin again. The mascara that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And this, guys, is the complete look. Y'all, I don't know what my wig line looks like on camera, because, like, I don't know, I ain't got my glasses on, so I can't really see that well. But if my wig line is looking rickety ratchet, please excuse it, okay? Because I have not washed this wig since the last time I wore it. And yeah, so if the wig line is looking rickety ratchet, that's because it is rickety ratchet, okay? It's not glued down, it's not nothing, okay? She just sitting there. But yeah, thank you guys for following me on this journey. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. It means so much. I have wanted this for a very long time, and now it is actually happening. So I'm just beyond shocked, and I just can't believe it. And if I just keep thanking you guys in every single video, please just know that it's very sincere, and I'm not just thanking you because like I just want your views. I'm actually thanking you because I like to do this, and the fact that people are actually watching me is amazing. Makeup is my art, makeup is my passion, and I'm just so thankful that people are actually appreciating it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Tell me what you guys would like to see down below. And yeah, all my social media, actually I only link my Instagram, so my Instagram link is down below. You guys can follow me if you would like. All products mentioned also down below, and also music in this video down below. So if you're looking for something, it's probably down below. Yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.